In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone 13 to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly transfer all of your data from an old iPhone to a new one. I'm going to be talking specifically about the iPhone 13 and an iPhone 15 as examples. However, this process also works for any other model of iPhones that you have. So this will be primarily done through the hello screen. The hello screen appears when you boot up any new iPhone. If you have already gone through the hello screen on your new iPhone model, then what you have to do is reset the iPhone. If you haven't gone through it yet, then just hold on. But if you do need to reset it, go over to the settings, choose the transfer or reset iPhone option all the way down at the bottom, and then choose erase all content and settings. With this done, now you will boot up the new iPhone and you will see the hello screen. Now, in the hello screen, the important thing that we have to do first is the quick start. This allows you to place your old iPhone next to the new one physically, and they will exchange the data between themselves automatically. All that you have to do is choose the continue option when you see this pop up, set up new iPhone. If you don't see this, make sure that you go through the setup on the new one until you reach the options to connect to a network and perform a software update. So perform the update, make sure that you are on the same network as the old one, and they will be able to exchange the necessary data between themselves. Once quick start is done, your new iPhone will be configured according to the old one that you had. Now, to recover your existing applications and other information like photos, notes, reminders, and so on, you can use iCloud. This will also be offered during the setup process from the hello screen, and all that you have to do is choose the option to recover from an iCloud backup. If you did a backup prior to this, you will be able to easily transfer everything. Alternatively, you can also choose the options to transfer from another iPhone, from a Mac or PC, or even from an old Android device. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone 13 to iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.